Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm showing what I got out of this box break from Series 1 Upper Deck. The best Series 1 to be released in a long time. Let's get straight to it. Why wait? In here we got a bunch of base cards. I left those for not to show you. I'll show you everything else that came out of it. There are all the hits. Let's do it. Alright, first off, MVP cards. Brett Hull, Jimmy Howard, Pekka Rinne, Jakub Voracek. Those are my 4 MVP cards, and the 5th one was a Corey Conacher rookie card. I don't know, there's a bit nicer view of it. And onto the UD exclusives, 1 per box. I had Thomas Vanek, numbered 56 out of 100. Now onto the UD canvas cards, 4 in a box. I got Danny Heatley, Tuukka Rask, Derek Stepan, and this one was very nice. Thomas Hertl, canvas, Young Guns, and here he is hot dogging his 4th goal in I believe his 3rd NHL game. That's a nice card, showing between the legs goal there. That's a pretty card. I was happy about that one. Alright, on to the other cards. Here we go. Here's Steven Stamkos, center, and Jonathan Toews, center, Shining Stars. On to the 1980s, I had a Mike Bossy, and the other one was a Patrick Waugh, old school. Now onto the major hits. First I'll do the jersey cards. I got a Nicholas Lidstrom jersey and a Joe Thornton jersey. And yeah, if you are interested, I guess I can trade anything that you see. And I'll save these for the last. I'll do it like this. This was Carl Soderberg, Young Guns, Jean-Gabriel Pageau, a Tom Wilson, Matt Nieto, Alex Killorn. What a bunch of crappy Young Guns, except for Jean-Gabriel Pageau. My best one was a Nathan MacKinnon. Kind of like my last box, very good one Young Gun, the others weren't so good. And this was also my 2nd best hit, Thomas Hertl, canvas, Young Guns. So pretty good, I think. Successful break, another successful break. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your week. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.